transport is the main thing that you have to use here. When we are discussing, let's say motor guys or bike or taxi men, they say when I want to go, we say ndashaka kujya.
Dashaka kuja.
When maybe KFC.
So you add where you're going.
Yeah.
Dashaka kuja KFC.
Dashaka kuja.
Dashaka kuja Kigali Convention Center.
Then you have to ask how much. Say angai.
Angahi.
Then they say maybe 700, 800 or 900. They say when it's 700, they say magana ringgit.
Magana ringgit. Magana ringgit.
That's a very okay. Let's say 1K.
So if they say 1K, like and I say no, I'll give them
Magana
ringgit. I'll give you magana ringgit.
Yeah, or magani nani.
Which is how much?
800.
Okay, magana nani. Magana nani.
Okay, yeah, magani nani. So when you come in Rwanda, Kinyarwanda is very hard sometimes, but it's easier for East Africaners. But for other people it's hard, but when you come, hit us up at July 88 Rwanda will teach you and take you around. Sawa, bye.